NFTs are coming to Ellipal. Yep, soon you will be able to secure NFTs and cryptos on this air-gapped cold wallet. Therefore, to welcome that NFT feature, they are having a huge sale, and my intention is to get your attention into that sale to get your own Ellipal at a discounted price, okay? But why should you even buy Ellipal? Well, that's what we're gonna talk about today. What makes it different than other, in this case, popular hardware wallets. We're gonna talk about difference and mentioning a few ones that you probably already heard about many times and you maybe own them. So without further ado, Ellipal Titan. Thank you for still being here and not clicking away. As I said, I'm going to discuss other wallets to make a point with Ellipal Titan Cold Wallet. And what you're seeing on the screen right now, you probably already saw. This is the most popular brand and the most popular hardware wallet in the existence. Ledger Nano X. You probably heard about it. I own one. You probably own one. And yeah, we're gonna mention the other one. You know, there are two giants, and there are other ones not so popular. There are advantages to being one of the first companies to manufacture hardware wallets. Even more, they are making that simple device design that looks like a USB stick. However, there are reports or recent device hacks and database hacks that are creating some discussions online. Now, the most famous Ledger's product is Nano S. It uses a USB connection through the wire to computer, but the newest model and the one that you are seeing on the screen is Ledger Nano X. It uses USB and Bluetooth, but Bluetooth is a new feature that connects Nano X with smartphone and carry out transactions. Overall, it holds its name as the most popular one. Is it a good wallet? Absolutely. I wouldn't bash it on this video, but there are some features missing that Ellipal has. Let's talk about it. But first, let me show you the second guy. Don't act surprised, you know this one was coming. Trezor, Model T, first company to manufacture hardware wallets for the masses. I would say it is as famous and popular as Ledger, and its best specialty, open source software. Many are preferring it because it can be used with other third-party apps outside of Trezor PC app. It uses a USB cable to connect to PC. So again, as with Ledger, it is connecting through the USB, so although offline, not completely cut off. And now we're coming to our boy, Ellipal Titan Cold Wallet. Now you might be wondering, well, why is Ellipal Titan better than those two guys that are crushing it? What makes him special? Well, it's not that it support over 10,000 coins and tokens and making a multi-currency hardware wallet. It's not that, although it does do that. Or that it has insane security protection like two-factor authentication, auto self-destruction, and offline update tied to break into that. Nope. But it's probably in the fact that one of the main advantages of Titan hardware wallet is the air-gap technology. The air-gap technology implemented in this wallet fully protects against unauthorized access, cyber attacks, hacking, any other vulnerability you can imagine. Risks associated with connecting to the internet via USB cable or Bluetooth that we mentioned in the previous hardware wallet giants, they don't exist here. The air-gap ensures that the Ellipal Cold Wallet is physically isolated from the public network. I talked about this in the previous video on Ellipal, so be sure to check it out if you want a detailed explanation of how stuff works here. This stuff makes it significantly more secure than other popular hardware wallets like Trezor or Ledger. Not bashing those guys, I own them, I like them. But here we're introducing something revolutionary. At the same time, owner of Ellipal has full control over his private keys. Yes, here we are talking about trustless trust. You don't have to trust this company, Ellipal. Anyone. You can trust this cold wallet. It operates on the QR codes. The private keys are never transmitted through the QR codes. It only uses QR codes. It's completely sealed hardware wallet that cannot be connected to connections such as USB, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, everything that we mentioned. Only QR codes. We're going primal, people, and those codes are secure and verifiable. Talking about high level of security, right? Now I want you to do your own research. I'm just showing you what I think is one of the best wallets out there. Why right now? Because they are having that sale. I told you, because of that welcoming of the NFT feature. Ellipal Titan bundle, $78 off. Ellipal Titan, the device itself, $50 off. Ellipal Family, $97 off. In the description there is a link. Go there, see what you like. Yes, that is my affiliate link. If you buy Ellipal through that link, I am getting a small fraction of it. That way you're supporting my channel. Thank you for that. If you decide that this is the wallet for you, if not, it's okay. There are many out there. Now, I didn't say that Ellipal is the only air-gapped technology wallet out there. There are many, as I said. So this is just one of them that I think works wonder. They are good. It's always better to keep your funds at any hardware wallet. Ledger is great. Trezor is great. Ellipal, great. Exchanges, no. So one more time, look into it. They have gray edition, they have gold edition. It's looking pretty nice and slick, right? It's sealed fully in metal. That anti-tamper auto self-destruct mechanism. It sounds so cool, right? You feel like Iron Man right now. And to communicate with your phone, I didn't mention all of this stuff, but it's all mentioned in our previous video about Ellipal, so absolutely check it out. Why Ellipal could be the safest crypto wallet out there. It communicates with your mobile phone, smartphone with HD camera. They're talking to each other through those cameras, through QR codes. Let's not repeat ourselves. All in all, works wonder for a cryptocurrency and its security. You will charge it through this adapter. In that adapter is going the memory card that you are getting for those updates. Nothing is getting directly into your wallet. It's all carefully taken care of. If you decide to buy Ellipal Titan device, you will get instruction manual, 2 mnemonic phrase papers, 1 memory card, 1 charging cord, 1 Ellipal Titan cold wallet, the main star, and security adapter plus. Links in the description. If you want to buy it, buy it. Now I'm feeling like some salesman, which I am not. I'm just love this project. I am their affiliate. Do some more of your research. And if you want, act on this sale. I don't know how long it will last, but I think it's a good deal. And now is the time, if you haven't watched the previous video on Ellipal Titan that we made a few weeks ago. Hope this video provided you value and at least gave you a food for thought. Thank you very much. If I don't see you in the next Ellipal Titan cold wallet video, maybe I'll see you in my charts video. You know I'm a charts guy. Crypto to the moon. See ya.